Good afternoon, McKeever's class.
Good afternoon, Mr.
6.6 nets in surface area. I can identify the net of a 3D figure and also find surface area. Yes or no?
Yes.
All right, a net. A net is a 3D shape that we do what to? You flatten. You just squish her down, right? You flatten it. Okay? Cylinder, cone, cube, surface area. Cylinder, cone, cube. These are all things I think we'll talk about here in a second, so I'm going to skip over those. Surface area, that's a big one. Surface area would be, this is the word is total. Surface area is the total area of all sides of what kind of shape?
3D shapes.
Okay, I need everybody here.
3D shapes.
So I take a 3D shape, I count up all the sides, I find the area of all the sides. That's my surface area, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. What is this shape right here?
Cylinder.
This is a cylinder, right? Think of that rectangle as like folded into like a tube, and then this circle and this circle close the top and the bottom, right? Right?
Yes.
What's this guy? Cone. Think of this piece as like folded together, and then this just closes off the top. What's this guy? Cube. This is like the top of the cube right here. These 1, 2, 3, 4 all fold up, and then this guy just seals off the top. This guy seals off the top, right? What's this one?
Rectangular prism.
Same thing. Okay, this is the bottom, side, 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 and this whole one here closes off the top, yes? All right, surface area. In order to find surface area, you must find the area of all faces and add them together. Okay, we have ourselves a rectangular prism, right? How many faces does a rectangular prism have? 6. Say again? 6. How many math problems do you see here? 6. I find the area of every single side of a rectangular prism, yes? Once I find the area of all 6 sides, I just add them together, and I'm good to go? How about this? How many faces did this shape have? 5. Say again? 5. Okay, so I found the area of all of the sides, or all the faces, and added them together. Why did I divide by 2 on this one and on this one? Because, okay, right here, you see this triangle right here? You see this triangle right here in the back? You still have to divide by 2 to find the area of a triangle, right?
Yes.
We cool?
Yes.